Alright, warning. After this video, your kitchen might feel outdated. These Amazon gadgets are so smart, so weirdly useful, you'll catch yourself saying, okay, why don't I already own this? Stick around because each one gets better. Hit like, subscribe, and check the links in the description. Let's jump in. The Prepara Herb Keeper is the simple little container that magically keeps your herbs alive way longer than leaving them loose in the fridge. Just place your cilantro, parsley, mint, or rosemary inside, fill the refillable water reservoir, and the herbs stay crisp and vibrant, lasting up to 3 times longer. The slim design fits in any standard fridge door, so it doesn't steal shelf space, and the removable lid makes refilling water quick and mess-free. It's dishwasher safe, BPA-free, and easy to clean, which is perfect if you're always buying fresh herbs only to watch them wilt by day 2. It keeps your produce fresher, saves money, and makes cooking way more enjoyable. You can pick it up for $8.49. This Ninja ceramic cookware set is designed for anyone who's tired of non-stick pans that work great for 2 weeks. The dual-bonded ceramic lock coating keeps its non-stick performance for years, not months, so your eggs slide out smoothly without drowning everything in oil. The 10-piece set is completely free of PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, making it a cleaner option for daily cooking. The lightweight, heat-resistant handles stay cool on the stovetop, and every piece is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for finishing dishes in the oven or keeping meals warm. Whether you're sautéing, simmering, or making a late-night grilled cheese, the pans heat evenly and wipe clean with minimal effort. And yes, they're dishwasher safe, but honestly, a quick swipe usually does the trick. Backed by a 5-year performance guarantee from Ninja, it's a cookware set made to actually last. You can pick it up for $169.99. The Vantic Rocking Garlic Press makes prepping garlic way easier than the old squeeze-and-struggle metal presses. Its curved, ergonomic design lets you crush cloves with a simple rocking motion, perfect for anyone with weak grip strength or small hands. Just press down, rock forward and back, and the garlic comes out finely minced in seconds. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it won't rust, bend, or absorb odors. And the silicone peeler helps you remove garlic skins quickly without getting that garlic forever smell on your fingers. Since the garlic stays on the surface of the tool instead of getting stuck inside tiny holes, cleanup is incredibly easy. A quick rinse or a swipe with the included brush is usually enough. It's durable, compact, and surprisingly satisfying to use, like a tiny garlic seesaw that speeds up dinner prep. You can pick it up for $10.99. The Chef Sophie Granite Mortar and Pestle gives your herbs and spices the kind of treatment electric grinders can't compete with. The unpolished granite creates natural friction, letting you crush garlic, peppercorns, seeds, nuts, and herbs into smooth pastes or perfectly textured blends. It's incredibly stable thanks to its heavy build, so it won't slide around the counter while you work, and the pestle has a solid grip that makes grinding feel easy and controlled. From pesto and guacamole to spice mixes and pill grinding for pets, it's a versatile tool that earns its spot in the kitchen. Cleanup is quick, and since ingredients don't fly everywhere, your counter stays clean too. You can pick it up for $19.89. This stainless steel herb stripper is one of those tiny tools that somehow saves you an absurd amount of time in the kitchen. With 9 stripping holes in different sizes, it quickly removes leaves from herbs like thyme, rosemary, basil, and cilantro. No more plucking one tiny stem at a time. Just slide the stem through the right-sized hole, and the leaves fall right off. For larger greens like kale or collards, the flat edge doubles as a cutter, so you can prep everything faster and with less effort. Made from food-grade stainless steel and paired with a protective cover, it's durable, safe, and easy to store. Whether you're making salads, sauces, marinades, or tending to your herb garden, this little gadget keeps things neat and efficient. It's a simple, practical gift for cooks and plant lovers alike. You can pick it up for $5.99. This 4-pack of Parfait cups makes breakfast on the go feel organized instead of chaotic. Each container has 2 compartments, one for cereal, granola, nuts, or fruit, and another for your yogurt or milk, so everything stays fresh instead of turning into a soggy science experiment. When you're ready to eat, just mix it all together and enjoy. They're made from high-quality, leak-proof plastic that's durable enough for daily use. You can freeze them, refrigerate them, and toss them in the dishwasher afterward without worrying about cracks. The matching lids and built-in spoons make them a grab-and-go dream for school, work, travel, or gym bags. Beyond breakfast, They double as clever storage for snacks, dips with veggies, salads with dressing, or even small baked treats. Their 20-ounce capacity fits a full meal without feeling bulky, and the clear design looks clean and modern. They're practical, portable, and perfect for healthier eating on busy mornings. You can pick them up for $17.99. The Trendplane Glass Oil Sprayer gives you full control over how you cook. Spray when you want a light mist, or pour when you need a steady stream. The precision nozzle switches effortlessly between both modes, making it perfect for salads, air fryer recipes, grilling, baking, and quick stovetop meals. Each spray releases 0.15 grams of oil, helping you manage portions and cut down on unnecessary calories without losing flavor. The BPA-free glass bottle is safe, odorless, heat-resistant, and looks clean on any kitchen counter. It's sturdy, easy to refill, and backed by lifetime support, so you can use it confidently for years. A simple tool, but incredibly useful if you're trying to cook cleaner and waste less. You can pick it up for $7.99. The OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner is the easiest way to turn soggy greens into crisp restaurant-style salads. With its iconic one-touch pump, yes, the one OXO actually invented, you get powerful spinning with just one hand. Press to spin, press the brake to stop instantly, and the non-skid base keeps everything steady, so you're not chasing the bowl around the counter. Once you're done washing lettuce, herbs, berries, or veggies, the spinner doubles as a strainer or even a serving bowl. It's a multitasker that saves time whether you're meal prepping or rinsing fruit before dinner. When you're finished, push the pump down and lock it flat for compact storage. The lid fully disassembles so moisture doesn't get trapped, and every piece is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and painless. It's one of those kitchen tools you don't realize you needed until you use it once, and then you wonder how you ever lived without it. You can pick it up for $32.95. The OXO Good Grips Dressing Shaker makes it easy to mix and store your favorite dressings, marinades, and sauces without making a mess. Its wide opening fits chunky ingredients, and the leak-proof, watertight seal keeps everything contained, even when you give it a vigorous shake. The one-handed lever lets you flip it open to pour and forward to seal, making it smooth and convenient to use. With a 3/4 cup capacity and durable, BPA-free Triton construction, it's perfect for meal prep or quick dinners. You can pick it up for $14.95. The Dash Fresh Pop Popcorn Maker brings movie night vibes without the oil, the mess, or the overpriced tubs. It pops kernels using only hot air, giving you fluffy, light popcorn in just minutes. Just pour your kernels into the chamber, hit the switch, and watch 16 cups of popcorn fly out like it's a tiny snack volcano. The included measuring cup doubles as a butter melting tray, so you can drizzle warm butter right on top if you want that classic movie taste. It comes with a recipe guide too, so you can experiment with flavors: caramel, chili lime, cinnamon sugar, all the good stuff. Its compact size means it fits easily on any countertop, and the non-slip feet keep it steady while it works. It's simple, fast, and surprisingly fun to use. Great for kids, family nights, or solo snacking events you pretend were for the kids. You can pick it up for $18.98. The Thaw Claw is a simple kitchen tool that fixes one of the most annoying cooking problems: frozen meat that takes forever to defrost. It uses a strong suction cup to anchor your meat packaging to the bottom of the sink, so it stays fully submerged and doesn't float around. That alone speeds up thawing by up to 7 times, turning "guess we're ordering takeout" into dinners back on. It fits any sink, needs zero assembly, and stores easily when you're done. Just stick it down, attach your frozen chicken, beef, pork, or fish, and let cold water do the rest, quickly and safely. It's one of those gadgets you buy once and wonder how you ever functioned without it. You can pick it up for $12.95. The Sustie's Rotary Cheese Grater turns slicing, shredding, and chopping into a fast, safe, and oddly satisfying task. With 5 stainless steel blades, fine shred, thick shred, slice, wavy slice, and coarse, you can prep cheese, carrots, cucumbers, potatoes, chocolate, and more in just a few turns of the handle. No knife skills required, no scraped knuckles, and no fear of slipping while you grate. The strong suction base locks onto smooth countertops so the grater stays steady, letting you crank comfortably without wrestling the machine. The angled design helps ingredients fall smoothly through the chute, keeping everything moving without clogging. It's made from food-grade, BPA-free materials and features a retro green finish that looks surprisingly stylish on the counter. When you're done, every part disassembles easily, and most pieces are dishwasher safe. The included blade storage box keeps everything organized so you're not hunting for parts. It's efficient, safe, and genuinely useful whether you cook daily or only shred cheese when tacos call your name. You can pick it up for $32.99. The Dash Mini Griddle is the tiny countertop gadget that somehow ends up doing everything. Pancakes? Yes. Eggs? Absolutely. Cookies, grilled cheese, quick snacks? It handles them all without needing a stack of pans. It heats up in minutes. Just plug it in, wait for the indicator light, and the dual non-stick plates cook evenly every time. At barely over 1 pound, it's perfect for dorms, RVs, small kitchens, or anyone who wants fast food without the cleanup drama. It's cute, compact, and makes a great gift, especially with the included recipe guide for fun little creations. You can pick it up for $12.99. The Akaku Slow Juicer is made for people who want fresh juice without all the prep. Its wide 5.3-inch chute swallows whole apples, oranges, and big chunks of veggies, and the auto-feed system pulls everything in for you. No pushing, no chopping, no drama. With a strong 300-watt motor, it extracts up to 99% of the juice, giving you smoother, richer results with barely any pulp. It's fully BPA-free, so every glass tastes clean and natural. Setup is simple thanks to its single auger and metal-free filter, which also makes cleanup surprisingly quick. Safety features kick in automatically. It shuts off if the lid opens and activates overheat protection after long use. Great when kids are helping. It's efficient, safe, and a great gift for anyone trying to build healthier habits. You can pick it up for $79.99. The GINKGO food processor is the kind of kitchen helper that instantly makes prep work feel less like a chore and more like a shortcut you should have used years ago. With a powerful 450-watt copper motor and 2 8-cup bowls, 1 glass, 1 stainless steel, you can switch between chopping vegetables and grinding meat without mixing flavors or cross-contaminating ingredients. 2 sets of bi-level stainless blades tear through onions, nuts, herbs, frozen fruit, and even tougher cuts of meat in just seconds. Choose between 2 speeds depending on whether you want a fine mince or a chunkier texture. Safety is built in. The spring-loaded blades stop the moment you lift the motor, and the overheating protection kicks in automatically if you've pushed it too hard. Just let it cool and you're good to go. Whether you're making salsa, guacamole, meat fillings, salads, baby food, or just trying to get dinner started faster, this little machine replaces half the knives in your drawer. Cleanup is easy with removable blades and dishwasher-friendly parts. You can pick it up for $29.98. This Umite Chef 22-piece silicone utensil set gives your kitchen a full-color upgrade while actually being practical. Every tool is made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, so you can cook confidently without chemicals or odd smells. The stainless steel core adds strength, while the seamless silicone exterior prevents scratching your pans and keeps food from sneaking into tiny gaps. Each piece is heat-resistant, up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, so even if you accidentally leave a spatula resting on a hot pan for a moment, it won't melt, warp, or fuse itself to your cookware. The soft, textured silicone also gives you a solid, non-slip grip, making cooking feel smoother and more controlled. Cleaning is effortless thanks to the one-piece design. No seams, no joints, no places for gunk to hide. Toss everything in the dishwasher and it comes out looking new. With ladles, spatulas, turners, a whisk, tongs, a brush, measuring cups, spoons, and a matching holder, you're fully equipped without buying anything extra. You can pick it up for $18.99. The Dash Mini Griddle is the little gadget that somehow steps up for every craving. Want a quick pancake? Done. A perfectly round egg? Easy. A tiny grilled cheese at midnight? It's on it. With dual non-stick plates, everything cooks evenly without babysitting or flipping drama. It heats up fast. Just plug it in, wait for the light, and you're ready to go. At barely over 1 pound, it fits anywhere. Dorms, campers, tiny kitchens, or that one bit of counter space you swear is useless. It's cute, practical, and one of those gifts people actually use, especially with the included recipe guide. You can pick it up for $12.99. The Blue GINKGO. Over-the-sink colander is one of those gadgets that instantly makes kitchen prep smoother. Stretch it across the sink to rinse veggies, wash fruit, drain pasta, thaw frozen food, or even air-dry utensils without cluttering the counter. It expands from 14 to 19 inches, lifting everything above the base of the sink so dirty water never touches your food. The evenly spaced holes keep items from slipping through while increasing airflow for quicker drying. Made from sturdy BPA-free plastic, it's durable, lightweight, and heat-resistant up to 212 Fahrenheit. Use it over the sink or as a handheld basket. It's comfortable either way. Cleanup is simple since it's top-rack dishwasher safe and won't rust or warp. A compact, everyday essential that quietly upgrades your routine. You can pick it up for $15.29. The Aroma ARC363 is that compact rice cooker that somehow handles way more than you expect. Need fluffy rice for dinner? Done. Want to steam veggies while a soup or stew cooks underneath? The steam tray lets you stack everything at once, saving time without losing flavor. Operation is classic set it and forget it. Add your ingredients, press a single button, and walk away. When it's finished, it automatically switches to keep warm so your food stays ready at the perfect temperature. The non-stick inner pot makes cleanup painless. Toss it in the dishwasher and move on. Despite its small footprint, it cooks up to 6 cups of rice, just right for singles, couples, or side dishes. You also get the tempered glass lid, steam tray, measuring cup, and spatula, making it a complete little kit for everyday cooking. You can pick it up for $39.95. This stainless steel meat tenderizer tool is the kind of gadget that quietly upgrades every cut of meat you cook. Built from a single solid piece, no screws, no loose parts, no assembling. It feels heavy, stable, and ready for real kitchen work. The ultra-sharp needle blades punch through tough fibers effortlessly, helping marinades absorb faster and giving you juicier pork chops, steaks, and chicken without any extra effort. The ergonomic handle distributes pressure evenly, so every press feels controlled and smooth, almost like using a professional kitchen tool. And when you're done, cleanup is almost too easy. Rinse it underwater or drop it in the dishwasher. No disassembly, no trapped residue. Because it's made from durable 304 stainless steel, it won't rust, bend, or wear out. And that 5-year warranty gives you even more confidence to use it every week. If you cook meat often, this tool just makes life easier. More flavor, better texture, less work. You can pick it up for $27.64. The Bare Yogurt Maker is that countertop gadget that quietly transforms simple milk into something you'd swear came from an artisan shop. Its stainless steel inner pot heats evenly, giving you smooth, consistent results without babysitting. Just add your ingredients, set the time on the digital display, and let the smart microcomputer keep everything at the perfect temperature. What makes it stand out is the versatility. You can make classic yogurt, Greek yogurt, kefir, cheese, and even fruit wine. And with 2 large glass jars, you can prep a family batch or keep flavors separate. When you want Greek yogurt, the included 100 mesh strainer turns your finished batch thick and creamy, exactly the way you like it. The timer lets you customize fermentation up to 14 hours, and it automatically shuts off with a gentle beep when it's done. Everything is BPA-free, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe, so the whole routine stays simple and healthy. If you're looking for fresher, cleaner ingredients without additives, this machine makes it effortless. You can pick it up for $47.59. This 2-in-1 draining basket is one of those simple designs that actually fixes everyday kitchen annoyances. The lid has a built-in knob that lets water drain without removing it, while the bottom tray keeps fruits and veggies lifted so they never sit in leftover water. Your berries stay fresh, crisp, and never soggy. The hidden handle makes it easy to carry around, great for outdoor snacks, picnics, or rinsing produce at the sink. It's sturdy, lightweight, and made from quality material that can even handle the refrigerator when you want to chill fruit. Everything separates for quick cleaning, then snaps back together for portable storage. Whether you're washing vegetables, draining ingredients, or keeping cut fruit fresh, it's a compact tool that earns its place on the counter. You can pick it up for $12.99.